Beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. I don't know what that was. I don't know. Anyway, so this video is really fun, and yes, I'm wearing a shirt giving you jailhouse rock realness. Anyway, so this video is going to be a closet sale slash cleaning out my closet video, and you guys know I love Poshmark, so everything that I'm showing you that I'm going to be getting rid of is going to go into my Poshmark shop, and I'll put it right here for you guys to see. So this is what my Poshmark looks like so far, and I'm adding items all the time. You guys are always asking me when I'm gonna have my next closet sale. I know it's been a minute, but we're doing a huge one this time. There's so much stuff that is going to be going up, and you guys can see here. So check out Poshmark with the link in my description. It is free. It's a free app. Go download it down below. It is so much fun. You can find so many cool items for way cheaper than retail. So many people are selling Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, like crazy brands, Adidas, like all types of brands, name brand stuff. I see people selling all types of things, name brand items that are gently worn or not even used. I know that there's an option to sell things that are new with tags, and you guys know I sell a lot of things that are new with tags. When things that are sent to me that don't fit me, I give it to you guys. Everything will be on Poshmark, but everything is super cheap, and everything is either worn once for a photo or not worn at all. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean out my closet, how I decided what to get rid of, what to put on my Poshmark. Like I said, download Poshmark with the link down below. Thank you, Poshmark, for partnering with me on this video. You guys know I've been using Poshmark for a long time. I genuinely love it. Poshmark, Poshmark, Poshmark. It's like a tongue twister. Like, can I even say it anymore? So this is me, woo woo, and I think that there is just still one item currently available left, but you guys are gonna see I'm gonna clean out my closet with you right now. We're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna be putting a ton more items up there, and it's so much fun. So let's get started cleaning out the closet. Spring cleaning time, spring cleaning time, spring cleaning time, spring cleaning time. Alright guys, so this is my closet. One rack here, and then all of this down here is shoes, but then inside there are shelves, and the stuff on the shelves doesn't matter, but what matters and what we're gonna get into is the clothing. So normally my clothing is color coordinated. You can kind of see the remnants of the last time it was color coordinated. For example, like you can see the blush tones, nudes here, and then you can see like the grays, the blacks, the blues here, and a random black item. And normally, you know, it would be light to pink, and then I have blues, grays, black and white, and then I do like my brighter colors on the left side. That'll be for another video. I'm gonna do a separate video on how to organize and color coordinate your closet so that everything is nice and clean and easy to see. But this video is going to be about actually cleaning out the closet and kind of setting up a closet sale on Poshmark, and that's what this video is all about. So what I kind of do first is just go through the racks and start looking at items that I'm like, okay, am I really gonna wear that again? Is that, you know, am I getting use out of this? Have I worn this enough? If I've never worn it, I ask myself why I haven't worn it. Am I gonna wear it? You know, when can I wear it? Is there anything I'm going to be doing that I can wear it for? For example, this dress here, I have never worn. I've had it for quite a while. You can see it literally still has the tag on it, so I'll just use the little hanger that I have on here, which is for like purses and stuff, and I'll hang it there and I'll look at it. I'll say, okay, am I gonna wear this dress? Does it look like my style? I'll put it to the side and say, let me try it on, let me see how it looks, let me see how I feel about it. But it's been in there for a while, I probably won't wear it. Bam, going to the Poshmark closet sale. This jumpsuit I have worn, and I loved this jumpsuit a lot. I wore it for an event, and I'll pop in a picture here so you guys can see when I wore it. But I don't think I'm going to wear it again, so this will go into my closet sale. Love this item, but I have to think, can I repurpose this? Is there another way to wear this? Not really, because it is something super sequin, glittery. You can see a color. It is very kind of obvious what it is. It's very bronzy, very gold, and because it's long sleeve, it's gonna be difficult to wear it with something over the top to make it look different. Really pretty gold collared shirt. I've been trying to wear this I want to wear it. It's supposed to be a dress, but it doesn't fit me as a dress because the bottom here doesn't really go anywhere. It kind of sits on me as a top. Like I said, I never even wore it out. It hasn't even made it out of the house. It is pretty much brand new. And so we will definitely put that in the closet sale. Look at this. We already have 3 items and we're gaining space already. So I switched to you guys seeing me so I could kind of talk to you while I'm showing you what I'm doing. And so it's a little more personable. So this dress, like I was saying, I wore in Vegas and I absolutely love it. And a lot of the pieces I wore in Vegas I got rid of because I did like photo shoots in. Beautiful summer dress that I feel like I might want to get another wear out of it. So although I have the temptation to get rid of it, I think I'm going to keep it just until the summer again and see if I do get another wear out of it. I have this kind of outfit that I wore. It is basically a floral dress and you can kind of wear it as a duster. It is see-through and it is just gorgeous. I really liked it as a piece to throw on over this romper, which is exactly how I wore it. It's this little romper that I didn't feel comfortable wearing alone because it is shorts, but it's very thin. The material is like almost like pajamas and I kind of felt uncomfortable wearing it alone. So throwing this kind of duster dress over it was just a perfect summer outfit for me, and I wore it for brunch and I loved it. And I kept it together because I thought, oh, maybe I could wear it again, but I'm definitely not going to wear this exact combination. So I'm going to keep it. Normally I would get rid of it, but I just love those easy throw-on pieces. Now, piece here, I don't know if this is worth selling because it is, like I said, a very kind of cheap little sleepwear feel. So I'm going to transfer this actually to my pajama drawer. And I'm going to actually wear it as jams. A satin black duster. And normally I would keep something like this. It's a really pretty silky black duster. But it has this very obvious print here, which is this kind of floral that runs all through it. So you have it here and then you have it down here as well. And I wore this for an outfit during Fashion Week 2017, so I don't find myself wearing this again. I know my stylist will kill me because he's like, no, keep it, but I just feel like because of this very obvious print, I don't know if I can get away with using this that many times. We're gonna add this to our Poshmark. This next piece here is a sweater dress. Really cute, but I never wore it, and I figured that I would wear it once fall came, but fall and winter came and left, girl. Well, winter's still here, but she's hanging out for dear life because spring is trying to kick her ass out and I'm here for it. So fall and winter came and left and I didn't wear it. Comfortable sleeveless black sweater stretchy dress. You already know it's going into the Poshmark pile. The next piece here is this long gray cardigan. I really got a lot of use out of this last spring. I really like it. It's super comfortable. I love it for an easy kind of casual spring outfit where you could just throw on leggings and a t-shirt, or even in the fall, leggings, a t-shirt and boots, and you could really just wear anything over this. Warm on those chilly spring or early fall days. I like it a lot. I'm not sure yet if I want to get rid of it. I'll try it on, see how I feel, and then we'll make a decision. The next piece here is this beautiful gray glittery dress, and you can already see from far away that it definitely has a beautiful glittery material, and it really is glittery even up close. It is absolutely gorgeous. It really makes a statement. I actually wore this for my anniversary. We went to dinner. We were staying at a couples only retreat in the Poconos, and we stayed at this really gorgeous room that had this champagne glass bathtub, and I will insert some photos here from Instagram. And I wore this dress for dinner. Now the dress is gorgeous. I just particularly didn't love how it fit on my figure. I wore it anyway because it was just dinner and I was going to be sitting. I did take some photos. We did a nice photo shoot with this gown as well, this dress, because I thought it would make for a beautiful photo shoot. So I will insert those photos here as well. And I love it. I got my use out of it, but now I'm done. It also has this really great ruching. It is absolutely gorgeous, but I got my use out of it. I did a photo shoot in it. I wore it to dinner. It's time to bid farewell. So this will go into our Poshmark pile. This next piece is a piece that I picked out from the depths of my closet. A hoodie, but it is a cold shoulder hoodie. It's a burgundy color, and I never wore it. It has a hood on it. Like I said, it's a hoodie. It's a pullover with a big pocket in the front, and it's a really, really nice hoodie, but I personally just have never gotten around to actually wearing it, and so I don't know if I'm going to wear it now, but this is another one of those pieces that I will try on, and then we will get back to you. Okay, so now that I did my preliminary cleaning out my closet, and I know for sure the pieces that I want to put into my Poshmark pile, what I do is take all of them off the hanger, because now that's new hangers, fresh hangers that I can put back in the closet and use for new pieces that I have laying around, because I am getting packages of clothing every couple weeks, if not more. So I constantly need to refresh, get rid of older things, use those hangers for new items, and that's what I'm doing now. So basically I have 3 of these, and I use them for items that I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark, and they're like collapsible. This one is not collapsible, so that's why this one was a little more expensive. This one's from Target, but I also have 2 big ones that are collapsible, and I love them just as much. One to hold items that are already listed on my Poshmark that are waiting to be sold. I have one that are items that are listed that have already sold that are waiting to be packaged, and then I have another one for items that are either miscellaneous items that that I just want to clean up really quickly and I need a place to put them, so they're waiting to go in their home. They will wait in there, or it's for when I get new things that I haven't even looked at yet, and then I will decide from there, you know, what fits me, what doesn't, what needs to go into a haul video, and then what needs to go and be listed on Poshmark. So currently this is one of the boxes, I guess, I don't know what to call this, bags of items that I haven't listed but are going on Poshmark, and you can see it's already a lot of items. And then we have these as well, so I'm going to show you what's in here. So first we have this Betsey Johnson little gold clutch. I love this thing. I had this for years and I have loved it to death, and I used it a lot. It is like new. Next is a gown here that I wore for my SKORCH magazine shoot. I really loved this gown. It is this gorgeous red glittery gown, but like I said, I wore it for my shoot and I will not be wearing it again, but it would make such a beautiful prom dress, homecoming dress, wedding dress, like if you're going as a guest. It's just a really beautiful gown, but I know for me personally, I will not use it again. I wore it for my shoot and I'm done with it. It did its purpose for me. Next item is are these sweatpants from ASOS. Really love them, but they're too big on me, so just can't wear them. One more items here. So we have this sequin dress, and I'll pop the Instagram photo in here as well. And this still has a tag on it. I wore it for the photo, and that was that. Brand new beautiful sequin gown, so that's gonna go up there. Sweatpants, a top, another silky really pretty top from Fashion Nova. We have some pumps that I really love. These were from Simply Be, but they are too big for me, but I love them, and it really sucks that I can't wear them. But I tried wearing them once and it was very painful because they were too big on me. I kept almost falling. So that's how I keep everything organized. Like I said, one will be for items that need to be posted, and then what I will do is once everything is separated into its individual kind of bags or boxes or whatever you call them, I go through them one more time. I make sure that nothing is dirty, nothing is you know, too bad to sell. If anything is dirty, I make sure I wash it first. But that's pretty much it. Like I said before, definitely check out my Poshmark. The link will be down below. It's a free, completely free app. They have so many great designer items for cheap, and like I said, check out all these items that I showed you guys that will be in my closet down below. Make your own Poshmark account and leave your handle in the comments so we can all follow each other. And if you have anything in particular that you're selling, leave it in your comment as well with your username so we can follow each other. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay glam, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.